Hello everyone, it's Victor Isibo Reviews once again. If you're a first timer here, do well to hit the red subscribe button below. Turn on the notifications so that you will not miss my next video. If you're a returnee, it's nice having you back. Today we're reviewing SKYWAY.CAPITAL, which is a pre-IPO similar to magway.com that we reviewed on this channel 2 weeks ago. Pre-IPOs are always pre-IPOs, guys. Pre-IPOs tend to bring investors in, woo them by claiming to offer them discounted share rates with the promise of skyrocketing the shares after they launch, and you have the opportunity to invest and buy their shares for low during their pre-IPO time with the hope of selling those shares when the shares appreciate after launch. Now the big question is, will they launch? Okay, so let's have a quick overview of SKYWAY.CAPITAL from our findings, not from the website. Okay, this is the website right in front of us, but the program name is SKYWAY Capital Partner Program. Their headquarters is in Belarus. They're into transport technology and investment services. Anatoly Yuniski is the founder. Anatoly Yuniski. Now, I've done some findings about him. He actually exists, and here's the man. He exists. I've watched a few interviews of him. So they claim that they are into monorail vehicles and tracks, education, investments, packages, and crypto units. Blah blah blah. That's what they claim they're into, and they promise to offer you greatest opportunity to make good profits. You're required to purchase the share of the company at a discounted price of up to 500 times of the face value, with the promise to earn you capitalization return on investment of 1000%. Okay, another thing is that they said after launch you'll be getting daily ROI of 22%. Is that sustainable? That sounds too good to be true for me. 22% daily return on investment. Wow. They also claim to offer you lifelong dividends from every project that they conclude. Apart from the affiliate program where you pay to register and you bring others in with their bogus compensation plan, I don't see any other way this company is making money. So they claim to have an innovative idea, and they want to be the technology miracle of transportation. The company seems to ride on telling you that if you're smart to look at the history of other tech giants like Apple when they started. Apple now is a big multinational company, so they are like, just imagine those that started with Apple and invested and bought the shares of Apple when it was peanuts. Imagine what the shares are worth now. So they want to lure you into their platform by comparing themselves with other established giants in the tech world. Okay, so and let's ride on. The real name of SKYWAY.CAPITAL is First Skyway Invest Group Limited, which was established on the 20th November 2014. The registered office in Greater London. The registered address was changed on 18th of May 2017 from Gable House 239 Regent's Park Road, Finchley, London, United Kingdom, to Suite 309510 Great Russell Street, London, WC1B3BQ. Okay, and this address, on further investigation from Better Company House website UK, we found out that it was a mail post box, office box. It was a mail post office box. So which reputable company changes its address to a mail post office box? Well, I don't know, but I see that as a red flag anyway. So this whole thing about Skyway does look to me like a pyramid scheme, and never forget also the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's warning that we shared on Magway. It was released on the 11th of January 2005, saying that pre-IPO investing is very dangerous. And of course, you have to be careful when you're investing in a pre-IPO. Like I always tell people, an expensive truth is worth a lot more than a cheap lie. So many pre-IPOs end up being cheap lies. You buy the shares for cheap, worthless shares that do not amount to anything, because you buy them for cheap because you're thinking the prices may skyrocket. They will give you instances of when Bitcoin was selling very low in 2009. Those that bought back then are millionaires now. So you should tap into this opportunity now. Okay, don't let anybody lure you into something you are not convinced about. Okay, and very quickly, let's go back to their website. And still about us. We'll scroll down. Let's see what is on the website, guys. So these guys are offering pre-IPO. Okay, they don't have any product or service to offer other than a call to action to invest at least $15. That's their minimum investment, which is tagged as a Skyway Partner Program. Okay, so you can become a Skyway Capital Partner Program at any level as long as you have the resource, that's the money to join. So they have a compensation plan. The consultants, as a consultant, you earn this status as a partner if your investment value reaches $100. So from partner you become consultant, and blah blah blah. Later they have leader. I think that one is $200 minimum, and they have master. I think that is $1,000. They have expert, $5,000. Different packages these guys have. Okay, and so they are into pre-IPO, and they have this affiliate program. Now, the director of Skyway Capital Business Development, Evgeny Kudryashov, while profiling him, there were certain reports from certain quarters that this man was somehow associated with MMM back in 2011. So there are reports like that he was associated with MMM. I don't know for sure, but there were reports like that he was associated with MMM back in 2011. So a man who has been reported to be associated with MMM is the director of a platform of our company. And I mean that might raise doubts in some people. Further profiling him, trying to profile him, and I was able to run into a website, ekudryashov.com, and that's the website. This website, here is his picture right on the screen, Evgeny Kudryashov, and where to invest the money is a button on the website. I want to click it open and see real quick what's in there. See, guys, where to invest the money. As you can see, this man is not only advertising Skyway Capital on his personal page here. We are seeing him advertising MMCIS up to 12% per month, MMCIS investments 30 to 60% per year, Forex trend up to 60% per month, recommended Palm. Then these are different platforms that he is affiliated with, or he is advertising. These are Macros Capital 20% per month. So from the look of things, this man is a serious networker and marketer, representing and marketing different platforms. So you know, but away from that, there has been warnings from different countries warning their citizens against Skyway Capital. Here is warning by the New Zealand FMA. They added Skyway Capital to their warning list, and they are warning their citizens against investing in Skyway. Skyway is not qualified as an investment company. You have to be regulated, you have to be licensed. They are not licensed or qualified to sell or buy shares in any EU country. Every investment company in any country must always subject itself to the rule and regulation of such a country. So their activities in New Zealand has been deemed illegal. So it's not only New Zealand that has issued a warning. Of course, Bank of Lithuania, as we would see shortly. Bank of Lithuania wants Skyway activities in Lithuania. So it's a red flag, because many of the countries that they are operating are warning their citizens. The state of Greece also stopped and banned every advert of Skyway Capital in Greece, stating that the regulators do not approve of their advertisements. The Greece Securities and Exchange Commission revoked all advertisements of Eurasian Rail Skyway System Holding. It's it's a red flag, and we need to look at it very well. Also, Slovak National Bank, known as Narodna Banka Slovenska, NBS, they also issued the latest warning to the residents of Slovakia against investing in Skyway Capital. The warning was issued on the 16th of January 2019. So guys, you can Google all this information that you're hearing from this channel for your due diligence sakes. Okay, so the FMA warnings and the New Zealand warnings, the Financial Services and Market Authority FSMA warns the Belgian residents and investors about Skyway Capital. So they said you should not patronize pre-IPOs. Okay, so guys, it is not looking too legit to me, because advertising daily ROIs of up to 22% is another red flag. If you invest, you're only buying fabricated shares. That's the truth. Yeah, they may give you a paper certificate, but it is just worthless and unreal. So they in 2016, Skyway Capital promised to go public in 2018. Guys, this is 2020. They still have not gone public. Okay, so all their claims, there's no proof to back it up. So the compensation plan from partner to leader, eventually with registration money of $15 raking in, it may just be a case of robbing Peter to pay Paul. It may just be. So guys, you have to be careful so as not to fall for scam. Okay, so in the case of Evgeny Kudryashov, they say, well, he may have been associated with MMM in 2011, and from his website that we saw that he's marketing lots of platforms that look like Ponzi schemes, like we saw on the website. And we'll go back there now. You will see ekudryashov.com, www.ekudryashov.com. You see where to invest money, different platforms, that is advertising, Forex Trend, plenty of them like that on his website. How it works, so the man seems to be everywhere, Mill Trade, MMCIS, Macros Capital, Forex Trend, Center, Reclama, Betting, Invest. They are all here. That is marketing. So, and with a past affiliation with MMM, it's a red flag, you know. So, you know, it's a red flag, guys. And guys, you have to be careful where you put your money, because it's not easy to make money these days. I always have my reservations against pre-IPOs, guys. Guys, this is the concluding part of this review. I wouldn't invest in Skyway Capital because it's a pre-IPO and I do not know if they will ever launch. So I would rather wait for them to launch before I invest. So Skyway Capital is a no-no for me. Thank you guys for watching this review. Let me see your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe, share this video with whoever it is you feel should see this video. Till I see you again, it's bye for now.